Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and this is part 2 of E-Cuts by Macro Monster and their contour tool that's going to save me a lot of times when I do something like this. You can see this is all together, and we can't, well, I need to back up here. We can't contour, we can only contour one at a time. So let's grab it and go to Monster Macro's contour. Go to contour now. It's got a little bug in it. I'm going to do it to millimeters. X out of there, Control Z to go back. But now I can contour. With Macro Monsters, you can only contour the outside. Now I can contour to the inside, and I'm going to contour in red. That's going to save people a lot of time. Now, how do you separate those red from the black? Because that's what we need. Select it all and go to Group and break contour apart. Look at that. Didn't even have to find and replace because it just broke the contour apart. This is, if you didn't watch my clock video, clock pattern, you need to watch it. This would be your top layer and your second layer. This is going to save a lot of time, folks. So look at E-Cuts. I've done many, many videos on it. I mean, for 60 bucks, it does a lot. Anyway, hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.